Hello pilots, it's Grax here, and in today's short tutorial video I will show you how to connect your drone which has Spedybee stack inside to your Spedybee app on your phone. So let's get started. So we can take on the bench this nice Apex 5-inch build which has Spedybee F405 inside, so it should work correctly. Now we can fire up our phone. So this was a little bit tricky for me to record this because I'm recording my videos with my main phone, so I just took some old phone lying over on my shelf. And it will be also a nice proof that this app works also on older gear, so this is pretty nice test example. Of course, first you just check if your Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi is turned on, so I have it turned on, so in that way we can connect our drone. So earlier I was connecting to this stack, but if you run this app for the first time, it will ask you what kind of device you want to connect. So in order to do this, you need just to select the right stack for your drone. So in my case, this is the Spedybee F405 V3 stack. So I just selected right here, and we don't have the power, so it will not connect. Yeah, so it will not connect because first we need just to plug the LiPo for our drone, so I do it now. Yeah, so the power is connected. Now we can try again, search again, and we have our flight controller. Even you have pretty nice visualization right here, how it looks. We can hit connect, and you have pretty nice layout of everything. Like you can even check if you have connection, so if the gyro is working, like when I tilt this drone, also we have nice visualization that drone is tilting right here. So everything basically is really similar to the Betaflight configurator. So you have tabs right here, so each tab just represents the pretty similar settings like in Betaflight. So we have ports right here, we have the modes right here. Yeah, these are the flight modes. Also the receiver tab you have right here, and right here you have also the motors tab. So even when our motors are not spinning the right directions, we can hit the motor direction configuration tool, and if you see that you need to wait a little bit longer, I found this little bug in this application, so don't wait forever. Just we hit the cancel and tap it again, and you see now it connects immediately. So maybe it's bug only on this older phone, or maybe in general, maybe they will fix this bug in the future. So we click the I understand the risk. Of course we don't have any propellers right here, so you can continue, and as you hit the proper number, the motor just should rotate. Yeah, and we have our motors working. So in that way you can just check if your motor directions are correct. Even if you don't know the names of these icons, you can just simply tap right down here and you have all the names. So you can see now how they look. So now maybe for example I changed my VTX power for the lower one because I was flying the squad and it can heat up pretty fast. Yeah, so I had power set up to 200 milliwatts, so I can change it to 25, hit save, and it should just reboot and save the settings. So it works pretty nice. We have everything here, and maybe you can remember that I recorded the Betaflight basic configuration video, and on this video I was talking about the expert mode on the Betaflight settings. In this app you don't have to activate any expert mode, you just have every setting right here, so you have all the settings right here. You don't need to check any extra sliders for this, so this is pretty nice. And on the OSD tab we can even change our OSD. So right here we have the full screen mode. Yeah, I see that it applied immediately, like automatically, so you can move, and when you hold the finger the nice grid shows, so you just can manage the place of the warnings, of the statistics of your flight. Right here you have the slider, so you can just check which setting you want on your OSD. And if you want to exit this mode, because this is now it's like a full screen mode, we just hit these arrows, and back again you have our nice setting tabs right here on the left side. So we can even set failsafe in our drone. So in the beta flight you needed to check the special expert mode slider, but in this app it's right down here. You can click it and you can just set your failsafe. So right here we have the failsafe method, so we have land, drop and GPS rescue. So this is pretty intuitive. So when we made all these settings that we want, of course we can hit save and reboot just to save them, but in this special app you have even the special option to do a backup of your settings. So this is like an interpretation of the CLI commands. Right here we have this small folder, we can tap it, and now we can hit the backup current configuration. So what it makes, it just backups all your settings. Is really similar like a CLI command, diff or dump. So even maybe you are in this situation that you have your props on, but you don't want to risk just to harm yourself. Maybe your drone is not configured fully or something. So I found out really nice hack that you don't even need to plug LiPo just to connect for this flight controller. You can take normal generic power bank, just the USB to USB-C wire, and you can power this stack and configure it with no problem. And even I can show you this right now. Power the stack, and now we can connect to our Spedybee app again, and it should just connect with no problem. And right here you can see we have connection, we can connect, and we have access just from the power bank, so this is pretty nice. And you can see that everything is working and we don't have any LiPo connected. So this is pretty nice little hack from me that you can learn from this video. So I hope you learned something new from this video. You can always write down in the comments ideas for new videos. So even this video was created from request of my subscriber. So thank you very much for this nice idea. Now maybe you will be able just to configure your drone with the Spedybee app. So that's everything for now. Bye bye and stay creative.